To fix LiftMaster error code 42, the first thing that you're going to do is to look at your LiftMaster first and see if there is already an error code. Now go to the LiftMaster dashboard or to the motherboard and clear on the lens. So as you can see, there is a lens under the LiftMaster. So the best advice here is go ahead and pick up a cloth and clean the lenses. And then below it, you will see there a yellow button. What you need to do is to long press it until the yellow bulb turns on. When the yellow bulb inside the yellow button turns on, what you need to do is to turn on or long press the down button that you can see. And then you have to repeat it thrice until you see if the error has been already gone and if your LiftMaster is already working. Usually you should do this few times.